Good morning, students. Today, remaining three sums. The distributions of height that are given in heights that are given in centimeter of 100 people is given below. Construct a histogram and a frequency polygon imposed on it. So this sum for you want to do in two. What is that one? First one is histogram. Second, you want to draw in the polygon, frequency polygon. Some height is there given 125 to 135, 136 to 146, 147 to 157. Next 158 to 168, 169 to 179, 180 to 190, 191 to 201. So first sum 0 to start continuous, no gap, 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Second sum not start from 0, 90 to 110, 110 to 130. So two sum also same sum. See this sum for 125 to 135. Next number 135 here not started, 136 only starting. 146 finished, 147. So one number is gap there. 135 and 136 from one number is difference there. Given in the frequency 12, 22, 18, 24, 15, 7, 2. So first you want to prepare in another one column continuous frequency table. See that. Solution. Lower boundary. First this one for lower 125, 135 is which number is lower number, lower limit you want to say. 125 is very small. So you write in 125. Difference between for put in the minus symbol. 1 by 2 is the formula. 1 by 2 gap between the adjacent class interval. Adjacent class interval meaning is 135, 136. Different number is 1 only. Formula from the having the 1 by 2. 125 minus 1 by 2 half is what is the meaning 0.5. So minus the number 125 not have the decimal number you put in the 0.0, 0.5. Minus and right means answer is 124.5. Now lower boundary is 125, 124.5. Upper boundary, upper limit and plus 1 by 2 gap between the adjacent interval. First one for minus, lower boundary for 1 to minus. Upper boundary ask means upper limit and add the number 1 by 2 and gap interval. This number from which number is big number? 125, 135 for 135. 125 to minus 135 to plus 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2 is what is the meaning? 0.5. So 135 plus 0.5 equal to 135.5. So lower limit and upper limit. So you want to prepare in again class interval from frequency table. 124.5, 135.5 you write first. Next this one write 135.5 2. That line meaning is 2. Here given in last number is what is the number? 146. So add the number 0.5, 146.5. Next 146.5 to 157.5. 157.5 to 168.5. 168.5 to 179.5. 179.5 to 190.5. So add in here down number from 0.5, here minus 1 number only. 190.5 to 201.5. So easily how to do in the tabular column. See here what is the number? 125. You write in minus and write in one number. 124. 125 minus 1 equal to 124. You write in 0.5. 2, 1 dash. 135 here finished. You write in 135.5. Here what is the number finished? Start there. 135.5. Here what is the last number? 146. Here write in 146.5. Here which number is finished? Write it first. 146.52. Here last number is 157.5. Finish number write it first. One dash put and here last number is 168. So 168.5 you write. 168.5 to 179.5. 179.5 to 190.5. 190.5 to 201.5. What is the frequencies that are given? You same as it is, you write it here. 12, 22, 18, 24, 15, 7, 2. What is the question is asking? Want to draw the histogram. Next you want to draw the Polygon frequency. So see the graph now. X-axis, x dash, y dash, y. So how to draw the graph? Very carefully see and do it the work. First number is, what is the number? Frequency table from 124.5. So write it first 124.5. Next 135.5. Next 146.5. 157.5. 168.5. 179.5. 201.5. Last number up to you write there. 190 after, don't forget and write in 201.5. Here you want to draw the 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 up to you write. Right after 0 to not start. So which number to starting there? 124.5 to started. So not start from 0 for put in the symbol. 124.5 to 135.5. What is the number? 12. So you mark there. 125.2 to 12, 135.2 to draw the line. Next 22, 135 to 146. So 2 number for you put in the 2 dots. So 2 dots, draw the line, join the line. Next 18. Next 24, 8, 15, 7, 2 you want to mark the point. First work is, this is the histogram. Next you want to draw in the frequency polygon. Now you join the 2 line. In between one center line is, fifth line is there, have no small line. You point there. Here one point. Next 22, this point here you want to put in one dot. Next 18 and this line, in between the small fifth line is. Here fifth line. Put in the dot. Next join these lines down to start and line. Using the scale and the pencil, draw the line. This put in the point at this point, one by one you join there. Join this line. That's all over the sum. First you write it here, x, x dash, y, y dash, number. Second table from start the number is 124.5. This number only want to start here, 124.5. Next 10th line, 135.5, 146.5, 157.5, 168.5, 179.5. Last one is 190.5, 201.5. This all the number right after. Here write it the frequency 246 you write and write. First put in the histogram box like rectangle shape you want to finish. Then you start the frequency polygon for put the dot and join the line. Last to here to start and start. Join for also here some line leave and write. Scale in x-axis 1 centimeter equal to, this difference is 11. Okay, so 11 centimeter height. Y-axis start the number is 2. All the one is people only. So height only asking for 2 people, right? Scale must you write. 6 sum is completed. Next this one paste here. Your fair note for you, half paper is pasted there over the work. Next question. In a study of dental problem, the following data were obtained. They are given in ages, tabular column 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. They are given in the number of patient is the frequency. They are asking question is, what is the question? Draw the data by frequency polygon. That put the in between point and draw the line enough. No need to draw the histogram. Seventh question. This fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Fourth and fifth you draw the histogram only. Sixth sum you draw the histogram with frequency polygon. Seventh question, frequency polygon only want to draw. What is the meaning of frequency polygon? There put the in between dot and draw the line is enough there. No need to draw the histogram. Rectangle shape no need to draw. First write in the class interval. First find the midpoint want to find. They are given in the sum. What is the interval and all? They are given ages for 0 to 10. So write it 0 to 10 to 90 to 70 to 80 up to you write in ages. Midpoint 0. How to find in the midpoint? Given in this two number is, what is the number? 0 and 10. This two number add 0 plus 10 equal to 10. This number divided by 2 equal to 5 to certain. Write it the midpoint. Next 10 to 20. 10 plus 20 you add. 10 plus 20 equal to 30. 30 by 2 equal to 15. This 15 here you write. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 half is 25. So write in here 5, 15, 25, 30, 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75. Right after, what is that given in the number of patients? They are given in the frequency, write it here. 5, 13, 25, 14, 30, 35, 43 and 50 you write it here. Next work, now given in come the 2 points, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 15, 13, 15, 13, 25, 25, 35, 14. These two numbers only consider. 45, 30, 55, 35, 65, 43, 75, 50 you write. Write it first point for A, second point B, C, D, E, F, G, H up to you write. Draw in the frequency polygon. Want to draw. Now you write it the X, divide the graph X dash, Y, Y dash 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 you write. Next frequency and all 5, 10, 15, 20 up to 55 up to you write. Next draw in the first point is, what is the point? 5, 5. Where is there have 5? 0, 10 between, in between small line. See there very carefully. 0 and 10 between small line is fifth line. So 5, 5 you put in the point. This 5 and this point in between small line is, that one is joining this point is, what is the point? A. Next B is, what is the point? 5, 15, 13. 15, 10 and 20 between have the small line is 15. 15 you write it and there you write 15, 13 is the B point. 15 where is there? 15 very carefully listen that one. 20 and 30 in between small line, this line. Fifth line is 15. Sorry. 10, 20 in between line is 15. So finger keep and the directly right hand. That next point is, what is the point? 13. 13 where you mark? That sixth line, 10th to 6th small line, 5th line, 6th line is B. Put in the dot and round B you write. Next C point is 25, 25. C point is 25, 25. So 25, 20 and 13 in between small line. 5th line is some thick line is there, that is 25. Here also this 25. Two line also coincide, that point is C. You write in 25. 25. D point 35, 14. 35 here have the number. Very carefully listen that one and do that work. 35. 30 and 40 in between line is 35. 35 you mark carefully and which point you write there? 14. So 14th line. 11, 6th one, 7th one. 5, 6, 7, 8th line. 8th line is D points. So you mark here. This point is, what is the point? D point. Very carefully you mark and write it there. 35 straightly you keep in the point and round there. Here 16 how to the year, 14 how to the year mark? 10th line to 8th line is 14. 10th line to you count the small line count and you write in 16. 8th line is the mark. This point is, what is the point? D point. E point 40 to 50. 30, 45 comma 30. This is easy. 40 to 40, 50 in between line is 45. Here 30 line, 2 line also coincide. That point is E point. F 55 comma 35. So 55, 50 and 16 in between 55 and here 35. This is the F point. Next 65 comma 43. 65 here and 43. Fifth line before line. 42 fourth line is 43. 41 42 sixth line is 43. So write it there, mark. Next 75 to 50. 70 and 80 in between is 75. 75 to 50. You mark there. This is wrong. 75 straight line here. Here 50. This is the H line. Now how to draw in the frequency polygon? See there. Start here. A and B point join. Scale use and join that A and B point. A and B. Next B and C join. Use scale and join these points. Next H line draw after 80. Next 85 point to one line keep dot keep and there H and I you want to join there. See there 30 to 35 correctly you mark. I do the mistake, you avoid the mistake and correctly you want to mark there. Okay. This line here X and there. That's all over the work. X axis, X dash, Y up, Y dash, scale. In X axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 ages, Y axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 people. 10, 20, 30 only started, so 10 you write that 10 ages. Bracket to write. 5 people, number of patients 5 people. Correctly 5, which line is 5? This 0 and 10, this line is 5. Next this line is 15. This line is, what is the number? 5. You not understand means also you write there 15. Very carefully do the work. So start the number 10th line 10 20 right after very carefully mark 5 comma 5. This number is you write 20 means also you write 5 comma 5 first point. Second point 15 comma 13 you write it here 15 comma 13 15. Next 25 comma 25 25 comma 25. Next 35 D point 35 comma 14. E point 45 comma 30 45 comma 30. Next 55 comma 35. This is F point is 55 comma 35. Next 65 comma 43 65 comma 43. Last point 75 comma 50. Next I here one point keep and that finish. This is the frequency polygon, only frequency only, so line only enough. Next sum, 8th question. There 50 students, max mark is there given in the column for. What is the first question? Make a frequency distribution table first, taking class size of 10 marks. First one. Second one, draw the histogram and the frequency polygon. So two sums want to find there. First you want to find the make a frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. Then before you find the range, maximum mark, minimum mark. Here given in the mark from which mark is the highest mark 89, lowest mark is 08. So range formula equal to maximum mark minus minimum mark. Maximum mark is 89, minimum mark is 8 mark. So minus and right, getting the answer equal to 81. Class size equal to they are given in 10. So class interval equal to formula range divided by class size. The range equal to 81, class size is 10, 8.1. So 9 class intervals you want to take. See here, class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to minimum mark is 8. So take in 0 to 10, 10 to 20, up to 80 to 90, up to you want to select there. Tally mark 0 to 10. 0 to 10 they are given here, start from 10 to 20. So here consider in 0 to 9 is how many students? 0 to 9 count there. Only one student only taking in 0 to 8. 0, 8 mark. So 1 is the tally mark. Write it here, tally mark for 0 to 9. How many students there? 1 students. 10 to 19 students. 10 to 19 taking members is equal to 10 to 19. Only one boy, one student. 10 to 19 also one. So here tally mark from what there you write? 1. 20 to 29 is 3 students. 20 to 29. 1, 2, 3. 20 to 29. They are given in 20 to 30. You taking 20 to 29. 1, 2, 3 students. Write it here. 1, 2, 3 lines. Here frequency for write in 3. Next 30 to 40. The same as it is how to there find, you find in which number to find there now? 30 to 39 enough. Here 40 to 49. 30 to 39 getting members is 8 students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 students. 40 to 49 students is 13 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 students. 50 to 59, 12 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 60 to 69 is 9 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 70 to 80, 79. 79 up to 5 means enough. Here 69 is enough. Here 59. Here 49 up to find there. So how many students is if 70 to 79? 2 students. 80 to 90 only 1 student. Here given in the tally mark, write it the frequency 1 1 1 1. 3 lines 3, 8 lines 8, 13 lines 13, 12, 9, 2, 1. This all the one you add. Add and get the answer equal to 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 30, 26, 26 plus 12, 38, 38, 47, 49, 50. Total equal to 50. Now you write in the frequency, continuous frequency table. First question is asking a frequency table. Class interval 0 to 9. How many frequencies are coming there? 1. 10 to 20, 1. 20 to 30. Tabular column from you write there. 3. 30 to 40, 8 student. 40 to 50, 13 students. 50 to 60, 12 students. 60 to 70, 9 students. 70 to 80, 2 students. 80 to 90, 1 students. These numbers frequency to frequency table to whatever number you writing that's class interval also. This is the frequency table. Second question, draw the histogram and the frequency polygon. Frequency polygon and histogram want to draw there. So 0 to 10. First divide the graph. X axis x dash, y dash, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. You divide the graph. Here you write in 1 to 14 up to you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How to divide the graph? Very carefully listen that one and do the work. See there box like first 0 to 10. 0 to 10 how much there are? Only 1 student. So 0 to here straightly put in the dot. 0 to straight. 0 to straight 1 straightly. 10 also 1. 2 also join there. Join after draw the line. Here center point 5 point for 1 point is there coming in that one also you mark now itself. 10 to 20. 10 to 20 how many students there are? 1 student. So here 20 straight also you 20 you mark, draw the line, the center point you want to mark there. Next 20 to 30, 20 to 30 3 students, 20 straightly 3, 30 straightly 3, that join the line, center point 1 point. Next 30 to 40 8 students, now here write in 3 students, here are 8 students, 30 straightly 8, coincide the point is 8, 40. Next 8, 2 also join there. Here you write in between that is center line, fifth line is writing 8. Next 40 to 50, 13. Mark that 13, center for you write, put that dot. Next 12. 50 to 60, 12, center for 1 point. 60 to 70, 9. 9 students. So 60 to 70, 9. 70 to 80, 2 students. 80 to 90, 1 students. Right after center for 1 point. Don't forget. First you join these lines. Whatever the point that see there. Identification for I use in the red lead. These 2 line you first join. Center for here 1 point. Then put in the round. Not confuse. Frequency polygon. Histogram is completed. You join in the frequency polygon. These 2 line joined. Next this 2 point. Next. Next. join the line. Last some 90, next 95th line is there, how now that join. This is the frequency polygon. First drawing that box like is histogram. Next you draw it, finish the frequency polygon. Don't forget axis x, x dash, y dash, 0, 0 to 10, 10 to 20. Correctly you mark the points. Scale in x axis 1 centimeter equal to 10 marks, y axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 people is the writing. One people only. What is that one? One people. One students only there have no. So 1, 2, 3 you write that. Number of students. Frequency for here writing number of students. Class interval marks. So 3 sums is over. Next start the 1 mark sums. Data is a collection of dash. Numbers, words, measurements, all are threes. So data is collection of numbers also correct, words also correct, measurement also correct. All are the threes. All the 3 is the correct answer. The number of times of an observation occurs in the given data is called dash. Observation occurs, data is called the frequency. Data is called the frequency is the correct answer. The difference between the largest value and the smallest value. So difference between minus largest minus smallest is called the range. The data that can take values between the certain range is called the grouped data. Certain value is called the certain range is called the grouped data. Inclusive series is a dash series. Inclusive series is a discontinuous series. In a class interval, the upper limit on the class is the lower limit of the other class. This is dash series, exclusive series. Upper limit and lower limit is called the, what is the series there? Exclusive series. Next one, the graphical representations of the ungrouped data is called dash. Ungrouped data is called the graphical, means graphical ungrouped data is called the pie chart. Next one, histogram is a graph of a dash frequency distribution. Histogram is a continuous frequency only. So histogram is the dash graph. Histogram is the continuous graph. A dash is a line graph for the graphical representations of the continuous frequency distribution. Graphical representation, continuous frequency is called the frequency polygon. The graphical representations of the grouped data is dash. Grouped data is called the histogram. Graphical representation, grouped data is called the histogram.